Hello, my name is Peter Mullen. I'm the inventor of the WheelFlex Exerciser. I invented this product for my mother. I invented it for my mother, who has multiple sclerosis for over 27 years and has been in a wheelchair for 24 of them. All you have to do is screw the knobs, slide the unit down along the hand rim. These products are also custom made for anybody's wheelchairs. This product gives you over 24 exercises. This product gives you over 80 pounds of pressure in the inside, 22 adjustable variations of weight. Side lateral.